Former UPSC chairman and noted educationist Professor David Simle has stressed on the need to take the story of Meghalaya freedom fighter U Tirot Sing to a wider audience. U Tirot Sing struggled valiantly between 1829 to 1833 against the British attempts to take over control of the Khasi Hills. While speaking to DD News today, Professor Simle hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for recalling the contributions of U Tirot Sing during his monthly Man Ki Baat program on All India Radio recently. He further said that U Tirot Sing left a legacy of struggle for justice. According to him, the legacy left by this great freedom fighter continues to have an impact even today.
Combined effort, and in doing so, we should We in the Northeast appreciate our Prime Minister Shri Modi making a reference to Tirot Singh's struggle against the British. It means a lot to us that our Prime Minister makes a reference to our freedom fighter because Tirot Singh needs to be known across the nation and across the country. Tirot Singh has left a legacy of struggle for right and justice. He fought between 1829 and 1833 in a long-drawn struggle against the British for the rights he believed, for independence and for freedom. And this legacy continues today.
The 81st